Hello, I'm in a 2016 Hyundai Sonata, and today I'm going to show you how to change your display languages between English, Spanish, French, or Korean. So first you'll start the vehicle. It takes just a moment for this all to load, but once it is, you make sure you're in the setup screen, which we are, and then it's a touch screen so you can slide, and this will be your language. And then here, select which language you need. So English, French, Spanish, or Korean. So let's say we want Spanish, and it auto loads for you. That's it. And I'll change it back to English in just a moment, since obviously I speak English. Idioma, and then back to English. But otherwise, yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.